Time to wake up. Welcome back to the channel, guys. My name's Aidan, and today we are at Aquila Private Game Reserve, situated 2 hours from Cape Town. Today I'm going to be taking you along on our second day safari. I'm a professional photographer by trade, so I will be taking some snaps along the way, as well as blogging on my GoPro. I hope you enjoy the video, and please leave me any comments regarding our experience and photography questions. Enjoy. Jesus Christ, no slept a wink. There was a moose loose about our house last night, and the wee fucker kept on waking us up all night. So yeah, I'm tired, but the sunrise is beautiful. So I'm going to set a time lapse and show you South Africa. Also, because the moose was up, I was up and decided to do a little time lapse of the stars. Check that out as well. It's cool. Right, enjoy. It's ice. Check out the attire. Dressing gown, North Face jacket and trainers. Beautiful. Wife snuggled up in bed. Are they frozen rock solid? So yeah, we get picked up at 8 and head out over there. But breakfast opens at 7, so we can go and have some breakfast. They don't let the lions in this part, obviously, because that fence is not electric. But they take you out to see the lions. Elephants were actually there yesterday. Ready to rock?
Ready to rock. I've got thick ribbed top, hoodie, puff jacket, windbreaker, 2 pairs of pants, 2 pairs of socks.
We are prepared today. And a lovely muffin for breakfast. This is where you grab your safari truck. Morning.
Morning. Here we go. Some breakfast.
Thank you.
Look at the size of it. Wowza.
Whoa.
Oh my god.
Wow.
That was amazing.
So white rhinos prefer to be feeding off grass and finer vegetation due to the shape of their mouth or their lip, where black rhinos prefer to be feeding on bushes, leaves and twigs. You know how many vertebrae they have in the neck? How many does the human have?
7.
7. So if we have 7, what do you think of them? 7. The same as human. That's standing up there on the left hand side. That is the big male.
Really?
Oh no. There they are. For trouble. Oh, they're still small.
This is the upstairs of the main lodge. Down there you can get breakfast, which is very nice. Upstairs is a nice viewing platform of the swimming pool and the landscapes of where you do the safari.
This is even better.
If you have any questions regarding the resort or experience, please leave a comment. And also if you have any questions regarding photography. I'm currently shooting on the Canon R3. The lens I'm shooting on just now is the Sigma 1.2 art lens. Make sure to check out Cape Town Gone Wild, which gives the highlights of our trip, and I will be releasing more videos as soon as I finish editing them. Thanks for watching again, and I'll see you on the next video.